A warm welcome back. I hope everybody's doing all right today. My name is Tom, and this is youtube.com/TJCMN. In this particular segment for you all, I have an unboxing today of the LEVOIT. Maybe I butchered that. Sorry, it does sound kind of Frenchish. I definitely should have did some research in hindsight on the company, and I will in between now and the forthcoming review I'll have afterwards, since I definitely am going to want to give you guys further insight on the nuts and bolts of this product and how it does quality-wise. But at this moment, I definitely didn't know how to pronounce it on the fly, so just a little bit of a behind-the-scenes, fun fact. But at any rate, it does sound pretty fancy, regardless if it's French or not. But it is the particular product of the Vital 200S Smart True HEPA HEPA air purifier. And actually on their website, it currently retails for $189.99. It varies depending on which platform you use. If I'm not mistaken, I think Chow got it on Amazon closer to Black Friday, and I think around $163, which is pretty good. Though Google, actually, when I searched it, shows that it ranges from a price of $153 to $250. So in that case, obviously, depending on where you get it from, your mileage may vary there. However, there are promo codes and sales, and in particular on their official website right now, if you sign up for their newsletter, which I actually have a newsletter of my own that I'm coming up with, which I'll mention more in another segment. But at any rate, if you sign up for their newsletter, you will receive, beyond their advertisements into your inbox, a 10% off coupon, which in the case for this product would reduce it down to about $170 before tax, give or take. So I think that's actually still a relatively good deal, considering that this is the type of thing that will help you breathe better. And I know that many of us can take for granted the air quality, especially if you're living somewhere where it's not that particularly toxic outside and obviously indoors. But however, when you're in a cooped up place and you definitely have something like we do where we have a cat, and maybe if you're a cat or a dog owner, shout out to those who are, obviously you'll know that they shed lots of fur. And we shed our skin ourselves. I mean, we're animals just like them. However, we don't shed nearly as much as them, and we have quite a few furry full-grown friends here, and this is the perfect addition for us to make sure that not only do they breathe all right, but we will as well, considering that, I have some mild allergies, I think. I'm not sure, I think it's common to have mild allergies to their fur, considering that they have, as they walk and stuff, it picks up dust and everything else that they go around with. However, we love the cats, and I'm sure you love your pet too if you're a pet owner. And if you're not a pet owner, this could actually be something that might be of value to you, especially if you have a condition where your respiratory system is maybe not always able to perform at 100%. And even if it is, this thing will definitely enhance your experience when it comes to staying in a place. Like, let's say you're working from home and you have a home office, or even at an office space that you're allowed to bring this and you have this set up. It'll help you have more clarity, and it'll make sure that your respiratory system is functioning at the best capacity possible given the circumstances. So really quick though, I'm going to read a little bit of the summary and tech specs on the website, which I'll also link below in the description. I'll have some more details about that as well, along with the recommended resources and social media links that are standard when it comes to those who have shameless plugs like myself and want to be able to recommend and link things beyond this particular topic and video. But at any rate, let's get into the summary here before we dive into this unboxing, because I'm sure you all are like me right now and can't wait to get into it. So the Vital 200S Smart True HEPA air purifier, I'm not sure if you pronounce it HEPA or HEPA. I've been doing it in both just in case, but I'll make sure to double check for the review, which I mentioned was forthcoming soon after this. So it says, this is the, send fresh air to every corner of the room with the LEVOIT Vital 200S Smart True HEPA HEPA air purifier. With premium 3-stage filtration and an additional U-shaped air inlet that helps capture airborne pet fur, you can refresh your home in minutes. And it has free shipping on the website, 2-year limited warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee. Summary, so 3-stage filtration. Captures at least 99.97% of 0.3 micron airborne particles such as dust, smoke, particles, pollen, and pet dander, as well as odors, fumes, smoke, and VOCs. Powerful purification. Completely filters the air in a 380-foot room 5 times per hour. Infrared dust sensor. Scans the surrounding air quality and provides real-time air quality updates on the display and in the VSync app. Auto mode. Automatically adjusts the fan speed based on detected air quality. Additional U-shaped air inlet. Helps capture airborne pet fur and reduces clogs. Quiet keep technology. Keeps noise levels as low as 24 dB. Free VSync app. Control settings, check filter life, receive real-time air quality updates, and create schedules. Voice control. Connect to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant through the VSync app. So that's the summary there, and then here's the features. So the features are as follows. They are the filter, the true HEPA filtration, the wash and pre-filter, large room coverage, real-time air quality, and then yes. So this is what the website description also says. Keep the moments fresh. We designed the Vital, this company, LEVOIT, we designed the Vital 200S for those who want to keep life both fun and clean. Perfect for pet owners, this air purifier's large U-shaped air inlet helps prevent fur clogs so the filtration system can always do its job efficiently. Simply tap pet mode in the free VSync app and the Vital 200S will alternate between medium and high-speed fans, keeping your home fresh and more energy efficient. And there's more in terms of the description, but for the sake of brevity and to dive into the unboxing itself, I'll have that all included and you can check it out and not have to take my word for it at your own discretion and at length. It'll be there in the description below, so make sure to give that a look. Obviously, you want to know what you're getting yourself into before you purchase something like this. It is a significant purchase considering it can run you anywhere from 100-ish to 150-ish to 250-ish bucks, depending on where you get it at and depending on the sale at the time, as mentioned before. But I do think something like this, if not this model exactly, something along these lines, is definitely essential if you're a pet owner and want to make sure that your nose and your respiratory system at large is working to the best of its ability. So without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing itself. So here you go. I have the knife over here. And then this. Alright, so you have the styrofoam to cushion it, which is good. Make sure that when it's being shipped and handled, it doesn't have to go through any sort of damage. Because this is, I think, something that you want to make sure works at 100%. So this is the user instruction manual. And I would sometimes say we don't need something like this because we're geeks, but actually this isn't like the type of technology that I usually interface with. This is the first time I'm actually going to be personally operating an air purifier along with my girlfriend. So I'm going to figure out with her, and then I'll definitely probably keep this and actually refer to it for a change rather than just trying to click things and set it up on my own, because for this type of thing, I want to make sure that it works and isn't, glitchy or anything like that. And I know that if I don't read beforehand, I could maybe be out of the loop on it. So I'll put the instruction manual to the side though. And then let's get to the rest of the box. Okay, here. So we have over here another container, I think, with some of the items that are accessories for this. You have the styrofoam, as I mentioned before. Put that to the side. So let's really quick see what's in this. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this is actually, yes, like I said, an accessory. This is the AC adapter along with the cord for the wall, right over here. Put that to the side over there for now. Put this over here. Put that to the side as well. And then, here, let's now put the main part of this segment and the main feature out of the box. And then let's put the box to the side. We don't need it at the moment. It's definitely a decent sized box. And we got the air filter. And this is in plastic wrapping, which I'm going to use my hands to remove. And that's required. And then you got the warning before use, remove the plastic filter. Yeah, that. And here's a look at the air filter really quickly. Let me make sure I show you guys and gals the product so you can take a look at it. And then this is the front, the LEVOIT. And then this is the top part, which has all the different buttons. And as I mentioned when reading the summary, I didn't know this actually until, because I'm sure I'm trying to do this though, there actually has an app and you can connect it to the Home Assistant type of thing, which I personally am not too keen on using myself. I'm the type of guy who likes to just switch on lights myself. I'd rather not have to talk to a voice dictation type of thing or deal with any of that. Same when it comes to my phone and sending text or writing or whatever, or posting online. As seldom as I've been doing it recently, I still would prefer to do it all manually. And don't even get me started on ChatGPT. That's something I definitely want to talk about in another segment soon, and AI in general. But for now, let's just focus on the main point of this. And this, the back gives you all the sort of product and company sort of description. And then you have the bottom of this, which is just the bottom. You have the sides over here. There. And then, let's just put this over here so you can take a good look at this. And sorry about that, actually, for the sort of abrupt transition. I just had to actually delete some stuff to make sure that I could continue recording this because I've been using Chow's iPhone and the storage, I've been meaning to back it up for a while, has not been done yet. And because of that, the recording actually automatically had been turned off. But fortunately, the majority of the video was already recorded. And for this part in particular, I just wanted to wrap it up by giving you guys and gals a brief moment just to, take a look at this product. I removed the yellow piece just as the video had been cut off. This is what you have over there. And yeah, so that actually is pretty much it. So, I just wanted to give that sort of clarification just in case you all were wondering. Probably you aren't, but if anything, regardless, hopefully this unboxing was of interest, and with anything, you all are doing well. I'm looking forward to actually getting this thing set up in a few moments, and I'll be having a review, as I mentioned before, coming out sooner than later. So if you're interested in something like that and haven't already, make sure to subscribe, and if you can, comment below, give a like on the video, provide feedback, whether it's positive or negative. I'd appreciate any kind, and also look forward to having a meaningful discussion with you. And also, really quick before I end this, if you have a chance, make sure to check out the social media links and recommended resources I mentioned at the beginning of the video in the description below. And for now, this has been Tom again for youtube.com/TJCMN. Thank you all for tuning in today, and I'll catch you all in the next segment I make real soon. For now, stay safe and have a great day.